Hello everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can remove your Facebook profile picture. So after you open your Facebook app, you have to go at the top right corner and hit this icon with the three lines. After you do that, just press on your name at the very top of the page, and this will lead you to your profile. So right here, as you can see, I have this profile picture of mine. You have to click on the profile picture and select see profile picture. So basically what you're going to do is delete, in order to remove the Facebook profile picture, is to delete this photo that you have at your profile right now. So in order to do that, you just hit this icon with the three dots at the top right corner and select delete photo. And this will lead you to a pop-up a message that is asking you that you really want to delete your Facebook profile picture. So what you're going to do is hit this very first option right here, delete. So this will lead you to remove your profile picture. So this is all for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.